Hello, if you are using Impulse theme on your Shopify store and you have a product with multiple variants, this video is for you. I will show you how can you solve multiple variant image issue. So as you see here, whatever color I am selecting, the main image is changing to specific color, but then I also see all other colors still below, and this creates a distraction for customers. So I will show you how can we solve this problem, and we show only selected images. So if we are selecting red here, only red images should be shown. And additionally, I will show you also how can you show variant image swatches here. So customers should be able to see all the available colors here at glance. So as you see, it's just when they open dropdown, they see colors, but they don't really see what product, real product looks like. So this is not a great user experience, and I will show you how it should look like. So this is version where we are actually showing all the available image product images here, so customers can see which product colors are available and what they look like. And additionally, whatever color they click, they only see the images of that color. And this creates really great experience for users, and this will help to increase your conversion rates and basically also decrease return rates, because if people can be confused by buying wrong stuff, and this can result in returns. Additionally, imagine if people are seeing ads, and if you have ads for each variant, each color, and they are landing on the page, and they should see whatever ad they clicked. So if someone liked this on the Facebook and they clicked on this, they should come on the page and see this product, not this color. And they should be able to see, of course, other available colors which we are showing here, but the main focus should be on conversion rate, and they should see only this color to reduce distraction and make it faster for your customers actually to make a decision. Okay, now I will show you how we can solve this problem. So to solve this problem, we are going to use a Shopify app. This app is called Rubik Variant Images and Swatch app, and I'm a developer of this app, so I will demonstrate you how it works. Okay, let's go to our test store. So here I have a test product, a bag here with multiple colors, and this is how admin part looks like. I have multiple colors here. I assigned my even variant images to each color, but let's see how it will look like by default. So if I open my product page, this is what it looks like. I just installed this theme, and this is basically default configuration. Of course, main image is changing because I assigned images here. So it knows at least one image, but it doesn't know what other images should be. So that's the problem with this solution here. But customers still see all the other colors, so we should solve this problem. So let's go now to our admin, and when we open Rubik Variant Images app, we will see this screen where we should select our product and assign images. So I will select this product, and in the next screen it will ask me to assign images. So it asks assign images to red. So for example, I assign this image, but we can also assign all images by using AI. If your images are obvious, you can use this feature, and basically AI will run in background, will make decisions and check which color each image belongs, and it will assign the images to all the relevant colors. So this will basically save you some time, and you don't have to do this boring part of the job manually. Okay, I finished assigning all the images. Now we just need to save. And as a next step, we should also just enable this on our theme. So we can click here on activated themes, and here I should select my Impulse theme, and I should click here on enable on theme editor. Okay, and as a next step, whatever page it will open us theme editor, and we just need to click here save, and we just need to we can close this tab, and we can click on I have done it. Now it should start working on our page. I will just refresh our page. Yes, it works now. So it shows us when we click on yellow, it shows yellow, black, green, red, and yeah, it also works amazing on the zoom part as well. Like if I select green and I'm zooming, I don't see all other images. I see on the green image, so I can check it closer and yeah, see all the details of the image. That's again creates a really great experience for users, so they are not distracted with other images and they basically can see all the details about the product. And let me show you how can we also show here images of the product. So let's go back to the app, and here we can click on manage swatch settings. We can enable swatch, and here we need to click on Impulse theme, and again click on enable on theme editor, and here we just need to click on save, so it will enable the app for us. And let's go and refresh the page. So now it's showing also images here, but I can also I don't like the look, so I can customize appearance. First of all, let's restore it to default. So I will show you how it looks like on default version. So on default version, it's basically showing all the images and very elegantly. So here you can see that's already really nice user experience, but of course you can make it rounded, you can make it circle. Let's see how circle will look like. Sometimes we need to refresh a couple of times to see the changes. Circle also looks really nice, but what I prefer personally is to show it square and show label text as well. So let's see how this part will look like. So customers still can see what's the color name, red, green, but yeah, that's also possible to do this. So this creates a really great user experience, and customers can easily see if they are landed on pink, and they will just see, oh, our other versions also available. For example, they like yellow version, and they can click on it and see every detail about yellow bag. So yeah, basically this is how it works, and it works also great on mobile version as well. It's optimized for mobile, so on mobile it's how Impulse theme is displaying product with this slider, and if you click on different color, it will also show renew the slider without any like page refresh, anything. It's just smooth user experience here. And additionally, Impulse theme has different versions of gallery basically. So if we go here, we can change to different versions as well. So we can change here like showing our thumbnails below, and in all these versions app works great. So you can change all these other settings and enable, disable zoom. So all these are possible to change, so you can just customize based on your taste. And yeah, I can save like this, and if I refresh, thumbnails will be shown below. That's also nice, but I would prefer probably on the left, it's better. So yeah, basically if you want to solve this problem on your Impulse theme, you can use Rubik app, and if you have any problems about Rubik app, just reach out to us. We are happy to help from the support, and yeah, have a great day. Thank you for watching.